Hi everybody, Lori here for Mama Elephant. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to introduce the new Deliver by Truck stamp set. Look at this cute pickup truck. You can fill it with an array of fun, different occasional things, hearts, parties. There's coordinating creative cuts. You can fill it with books. A little critter sleeping on a stack of books, a little critter behind some pumpkins, a birthday bash, hearts for Valentine's Day, and then you can choose which adorable little critter you want driving the truck. I fell in love with this one as soon as I saw it. So I stamped a truck, a little kitty cat to drive, and then a party happy birthday gang that's going to go in the back of the truck. This is a great one to create a birthday project, but I love how you can fill the back of the pickup with different things so it can spread throughout the year for all different occasions. Tomorrow I'm going to feature another stamp set that coordinates with the pickup truck that gives you more mileage, and that one's going to be holiday themed to go with your Deliver by Truck. So I probably should have saved the red truck for tomorrow since I'm doing a holiday one, but I got so excited. I just always think of doing a red pickup truck. And then I'm doing a little tabby cat because we have a little tabby. It's actually not ours, it's my son's, but he left it here, so now it's ours. But it's a cute little tabby cat. I always love to color cats with the yellow and then those brown kind of like stripes, kind of like Garfield. You know that cartoon cat Garfield? I always do my cats like that. And then I love to do the puppy dog with the big spot over the eyes. So I'm just doing some simple Copic coloring. You can see my caps there. I kind of zoomed in, and I don't show every bit of the coloring, but I show some of the main parts. Couple yellow birdies, and then of course the balloons. You know I'm going to slip in a little rainbow cluster of balloons if I can for a birthday party. Cute little party banner there. They're ready to go. I mean, they're ready to have a party. Gonna line up these creative cuts, hold them down with some Easy C tape, take them off camera, run it through my die cutting machine. And I mean, there's only 3 images. This is going to be a very simple card, but some of my favorite cards are the most simple. I just cannot get over the fact that you can pick which critter you want to drive the pickup. That just gets me. Okay, so I'm going to create a simple little blended background. I'm masking off a little portion on a white panel of cardstock, and I'm going to go with some Distress ink. I believe this is Hickory Smoke, I think is the color I'm blending here. It's just kind of a dark charcoal gray, and I'm creating a bit of grounding or like a little road, something to create a scene to put my truck on. You don't have to create a scene. You could also do a strip of solid color cardstock or pattern paper. However you like to do it, this is just one option. So I masked off a little strip at the bottom, blending it in, a little bit heavier on the sides and fading it lighter in the middle. Remove that masking tape and then adhere it straight over the road, and then I'm going to blend a little sky behind. So starting with a little Salvage Patina Oxide. And you know what? I got to tell you what. I have been enjoying pulling out my Distress inks lately, and especially I had a few oxides. I don't have a ton of Distress oxide inks, but they really are buttery smooth to blend. So I think I'm going to order some more Distress oxides in more colors. I just need some more variety. Not that I don't have more inks than I'll ever need in my lifetime, but somehow I feel like I just need to have a few more Distress oxide colors. It's a sickness, I'm telling you. Do I have room for these inks? I do not. Do I want them? Will I get them? Probably. Okay, Stampin' a Sentiment from the Deliver Lots of Cheer. I think I've used that sentiment stamp set on every card this release. Popping this up on a white card base, popping up the pickup truck. This is going to be a very simple card, but I just love the clean adorableness of it all. Look at the party in the back. Can you imagine seeing that drive by on the road? And then the kitty cat. Steals the show for me. I don't think his hands can reach the steering wheel, but who cares, right? May your birthday be overflowing with love. I hope you enjoyed this video. All of these new products will be available on October 15th at Mama Elephant. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.